Hello everybody, welcome back to Kentucky. Oh, see that's a remote control airplane up there with lights on it. And fireworks.
Now he gets his video camera.
Yeah.
Billy D gives him some ideas.
Almost hit it. Ooh, that was a close one. Cool, there goes another one. Ooh.
I thought we had one.
Uh-oh, whoa. There's two of them up there flying around. Is he?
He's only been up there for like 20 minutes.
I know it.
This one right here is the final one.
Uh-oh, this is the grand finale right here. Let me find him again. Is that him? Is that just a glare? There he is. He's circling around waiting for the grand finale.
Get some altitude.
Ooh. That was a dud. Hey, where's that doctor? Get your X-Acto and that duct tape we was talking about. I think you gotta reattach your limb.
That was a quick change. Might not be as good.
Ooh. Uh-oh. Ooh.
Trying to fly into it.
That guy must have changed his battery right quick.
That one you gave him, right?
No, that other one.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-oh. It's close, close.
That's the final volley.
Alright guys, we'll
Thank
be
you.
back tomorrow with some
Drive
more
safely on you. Thank
jet
you.
flying
Take
action
care.
from Kentucky.
Jack Grant, appreciates.